What's up, everybody? It's your boy Keith, and I'm back. And the 460 is back too. It is working. It is fixed. Finally got all the issues fixed. Now, to be honest with you, I didn't fix the final part myself. The issue I was having with the fuel circuit sensor opening, to be honest, it was a weird fluke issue. I actually sent the car over to my good friend who's a master Lexus tech, and I had him fix the valley plate leak issue that the car was having as well. And I figured, you know what, let me send it up to him. So I had it towed up there, and he fixed the valley plate. He also fixed the oil leak on the front oil, the oil filter housing. There was a leak there, I had that fixed, but he couldn't get the problem to recreate itself. He checked all the injectors, all the clips, everything looks good. He cleared it with the Lexus scan tool, and it went away. So it's just a weird fluke issue. Don't know what it is. So hey, you know what? You never know. But again, the fuel pressure sensor is what caused all this. I was able to fix that myself. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the entire thing myself, but hey, that's okay. The important part is she's running, she's back. So let's get this thing back together. I've just got to put the engine covers back on, get the interior put back together. And you know what? I can start doing some car shenanigans. And that's what this is all about. Having fun, getting out there, networking, you know, getting out there in the car community. And to be honest, just driving this big bitch. I haven't driven this thing in a while, and it's time. So come on with me as I go ahead and pull into the garage. Let's get the engine covers on and let's just have a chat. All right, so I got my custom painted strut bar that I had my painter. He painted for me. He's got his logo on it, K&A Custom Design, did an amazing job. So let's get this put back on the car. And just like that, she is done. The engine bay is back together. I just got to put a little air in the tire, but it's all ready to go. I can go pick up little man from school because he's been wanting for me to pick him up in school in this. So let me just walk you through it. All right, so as we can see here, I've got the engine covers with my gold wash rings put back in. I've got the engine cover back on. Got the engine cover back on with my strut bar. It's all buttoned up, ready to go. Runs and purrs like a champ. Now I just got to put the interior back together, put some air in the tire, and man, she's gonna be ready to go. Then I can get working on this girl over here. Since I have everything now, I can get to working on that.